This short video will show you exactly how to add canonical URL to a blog post. For this example, we're using this particular piece of content, and we're going to add this URL as a canonical URL. The reason why we use canonical URL is so that the reason why we would use canonical URL is to let the search engine know which page the only time we would use canonical URL is to differentiate two similar blog posts. The reason why we would use a canonical URL is to differentiate between two similar topics. For example, if this is about 86 data visualization ideas, and the other piece of content is 100 data visualization ideas, we want the search engine to prioritize which URL to index. We want the search engine to prioritize which piece of content that the search engine should be prioritizing. We want the search engine to prioritize which URL. We want the search engine to prioritize which URL to index, to crawl. Otherwise, the search engine will get confused on which piece of content to rank. So to add canonical URL inside WordPress, you will go to Plugins, add a new plugin, and search for Yoast. You can either use Yoast SEO or you can use Rank Math. Yoast SEO is free, so just hit install and hit activate. And here we're going to set up Yoast, and here we're going to set up Yoast SEO if you just follow the steps. You hit continue. Again, if you want to see a full tutorial on how to set up Yoast SEO on your WordPress website, there's another video I have linked in the description. Now, once you have Yoast SEO installed and activated, simply go back to your post and click on the Yoast SEO icon and scroll down to the bottom and hit Advanced. And here you can add in your canonical URL. And for this, we want this piece of content, so for this, we want this particular URL to rank above. So for this example, we want this URL to rank, so we're going to copy it and then paste that URL inside this bracket and hit save. And this is exactly how you can add a canonical URL to a piece of content. Now to index this, we're going to copy the URL and we're going to head back to Google Search Console, logging into your account and select the correct property and go to URL inspection. And then you will paste in the canonical URL that you want to rank. And hit request indexing. If the indexing is successful, this window will appear, and just hit to dismiss. And this is exactly how you can add a canonical URL to a piece of content to differentiate between two similar topics and tell the search engine which one to prioritize. Otherwise, the search engine will get confused on which piece of content to rank.